made. You are one of a kind. I am your chief. You know who you are, and you know your roots. I am so proud of you. We have been the descendants of Umiri. It has been so until this very moment. A child born from the waters has no enemy. They have great future. We have been the descendants of Umiri. It has been so until this moment. A child from the waters is unstoppable. They have great future. They have no enemy. It takes more than a witch to stop them, more than a killer to kill them, and more than a native doctor to harm them.
There are many stories from the history of Nzogu Kingdom, but mine can never be forgotten. Mine is a story of pain, betrayal, jealousy, and the enviness of man. My name is Kambili Emenike Okeke. My story is painful, hurtful, and this is a typical example of wickedness to man. Now this came from my family. Betrayal is painful, but the most painful one is when you get it from your relative. Be careful what you tell them, because I am here to pay for the sins of my family. That is why I am here.
Adamazia met you her. You were born on Orient Market Day. You do not look for trouble because you are for all and all for you. Meaning, you do not have an enemy. But if an enemy comes, you swallow them up. Water strengthens life. Meaning, you are a life giver, not a life taker. No man can take your life except they do not drink, cook, or bathe with water. I am your chief, and I will always protect you.
I am coming for you.
We will no more, but the witches are here for you. We will cause them pain and make them suffer for every drop of your tears.
Back with palm wine, and he said that it's his brother that gave it to him.
What? Who?
His brother. And we drank wine.
Hey!
What did they do to us? It's a lie!
Tell me what you did to my father, and we kill you now! What did you do?
Nothing! This is nothing! Nothing, no! Nothing! Hey!
You poured it so nobody will say you should drink it. Is that what you want?
Kimberly, I understand you. It's trauma. I can't.
I was coming to your house.
How may I help you? If you have anything, say it quick. I'm very busy.
I'm just coming from my father's land at Indiago.
What have that got to do with me? Say what you want to say. I'm very busy.
I'm sorry, Nai. I found out that the land is being cultivated. So I said, let me come and ask you if you know anything about what is going on there.
Kambili.
Nai.
Kambili.
Nai.
What right do you have to question me about my property, the land I inherited from my brother? What is your problem?
The land you what?
My brother don't have a son. All his property belongs to me. That land I inherited it from my brother. Do you have a problem with
it? Hey! You inherited the land from my father. Hey! This was why you killed my brothers!
Will you shut up that dirty mouth? Will you shut up your mouth? How dare you challenge me? Do you want me to turn it to Lisa? You want Yara?
Nai, you slapped me?
I will slap you.
Yamadi, I'll kill you! I'll slap you! You are mad! You are mad!
Let me go! Let me go!
I'll kill you! Yamadi, I'll damage you! Hey! That was why you killed! You are mad! That's why you killed my brother! Oh, they will kill you! Never do I strike you then! You're talking!
Wait!
You will die!
Kambili!
You will die!
That's why you are not married! I will do something to you. I will deal with you. You are lucky you are not a man. I will deal with you. I will deal with you. I will deal with you, Kambili. Where is my son? Bring her out. Where are you? She told me on the ground. Come here. Can you imagine? You look at her. Come on. Come on. Leave me down.
Leave me alone. Are you... What? What do you want? Kambili? What is this? Kambili?
You have the guts to raise your hands on my father without no fear of me at all. Mbo, Kambili, you fought a man that's supposed to be your father, that stand in as your father. Kambili, your conscience allowed you and you beat up my father. Today I am going to deal with you.
And your father pushed me. You are the one that is stupid. Your father pushed me and I pushed him back.
Yes, I push you. Do you have the right to push me back?
And that was only because you accused my father of killing your useless and senseless parents.
Did I lie? Did I lie?
Oh, you're going to get away, man. Aren't you supposed to get married and leave this family?
Hey!
So that we'll have our peace.
Now I know why you did. That's what you want. So I will get married and leave my father's property for both of you. I will rather remain single and die here than
listen to me. Even if you remain single, your father's property is my property.
It's not
your father has no son. His property belongs to me.
Papa!
You should get it into your head.
So you...
Papa, this is not why we are here.
Okay, why are you here?
We are not here to start exchanging words with her. I am here to carry action. Happen come come many.
Oh yeah, fair.
Can't you go? Can't you come carry?
Why are you here? Why are you here?
Are you mad?
Leave me alone.
No, Mr. Murphy. I can't support your foot. I'm not here. And you try it next time. You're fighting my father. Don't you have respect? Try your best. Try your best. Try your best. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
My love, please, you need to calm down. You need to pick on with your life and move on.
I cannot move on. Do you know what it is to lose a parent? Do you know what it means to lose my siblings? Do you?
I understand the pain you feel.
You don't understand anything. You don't. All I care about right now is judgment. That's what I want.
But there's nothing I could do. Your uncle has already bribed the king and all the king's men. Please, you just need to calm down and move on with whatever life...
Chima, I cannot calm down. I will not calm down. I will not. Even if it means joining witchcraft, I will do it. I will make sure I take their family down one by one. Every single person that was part of that judgment.
My love, please, you need to calm down and understand how you feel. I promise everything is going to be fine.
You don't know me. You don't know anything about me anymore. All I want right now is judgment. That's all I ask for. Chima, is that too much to ask? And I will do anything. Even if it means witchcraft, like I said, I will do it.
Wait a minute. Have you joined the witchcraft? Or you are planning to? Can't believe... What have you done to yourself? Do you know the implications of what you...
I don't care! I don't! Chima, can you just let me be? Is it possible to just let me go? Is it possible? Can you just leave me to do what I want? Chima, please. Please! The Kambele you know is dead. I died the moment my parents died. My soul left me the moment my siblings died. My soul is no longer part of me. What is so difficult for you to understand?
But taking revenge is not just... Kambele!
The Dark Lord, Kambili, has come for revenge. I will pay good with evil. Evil for evil. And all her enemies must feel my loss.
Revenge you shall get. Revenge you shall get. Revenge you shall get. Revenge you shall get. We shall be their doom.
Eze, what are you doing with my gun?
How do you mean you're gone? Is there a place your name is crested on this gun? Eh? Okay, I want to go hunting with it.
You want to go hunting?
Yes.
Since when did you start hunting? Since when did you become a hunter? Eze, please, it's too early. I want to go out.
Don't insult me, oh. Adanna, don't insult me. Don't insult me. Be very careful with me. Do you need me to remind you that I found this gun on top of the hut my father died and left for me? Now let me remind you. Anything that is found on top, inside, outside, behind this hut belongs to me. Do you hear me? If you want to lay claims to anything, go and marry and lay claims to your husband's possessions, not the ones my father left for me. Have you heard me? Good.
Yes, give me that gun. I want to go and hunt. Since when did you start hunting? What do you know about hunting? All the times you've gone to that bush, how many bushmeat have you ever caught? How many birds have you been able to shoot? You are lucky you're my elder brother, so I will not insult you.
Hey! I said it! I knew it! I knew there is something about this particular gun that she uses to kill almost everything in the bush.
Yes! So Adanne has been rubbing something on her gun. Could it be that this maiden is using my destiny to hunt? Because what explains that I will enter the bush with my own younger sister and she will come out with a lot of bushmeat? My trap cannot even catch one. Talk more of me shooting the one down. Will I fold my hands and watch her become the breadwinner of the house? No mayor or Daba. Okay. 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 There will be no peace. There will be no peace until I regain everything I've lost. I will regain my pride. I will regain my pride as the first son, as the eldest. This family was left for me by my father. So you have planned to kill me with this thing? No, this is what you plan to kill me with. Let me tell you, it will not work.
Eze, why? Why will you throw... Eze, what is your problem?
You want to know what is my problem?
What is your problem? What have I not done for you? What is your problem?
That is my problem. What have you not done for me? It's my problem. You have literally turned me to a vegetable so that you will be the one to provide for me. Every single thing I ever wanted as a man, as Jopala Negi, you have been the one providing it. And then you have literally turned me to a vegetable. So that you'll be doing everything for me. And then you will now hang your shoulders and be gallivanting the whole village as the breadwinner of the family.
So where did you hear me mention that I am the breadwinner of this family?
You think I don't have ears? No, you think I don't have ears? Whatever that you have done that is making things work that way, I will reverse it.
You're very, very ungrateful. You're ungrateful. It's not your fault.
Are you okay? Are you okay? What is wrong with you? And then the right thing should have been when you get into the bush and you catch all those, I don't know how you do this thing. When you catch them, you're supposed to bring them to me. Let me hang them on my shoulder and move around the kingdom with my shoulders high. Proud, and my ego will remain for me. And then I'm supposed to be your pride. But look at you. You brag.
I'm very shameless. Easy. You are a shameless elder brother. I should bring my car. Eze, don't touch me. Eze, don't touch me. You are a shameless man.
Okay. Now I am no longer useless. I am shameless.
You are shameless and useless.
I don't know. It is obvious there will be no peace in this house until you marry.
Marry who? You go and marry. Or you don't like family.
Rich farmers that are able to take care of you have been coming here trooping in and out. You don't want to follow anyone. Who are you waiting for?
You too, go and marry. Go and marry. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Look at you in your father's house. If your father did not build this house, would you have somewhere to stay? Eze, you are a shameless brother. You are very, very shameless. I will not marry. Come and bundle me to the marketplace and sell me. Come and bundle me. Kambili, what is it? Why have you refused to allow me drink water and drop cup in this kingdom? What is it?
I hate people that lie too much. Are you trying to say you don't know what you did? Oh, okay. By the time we are done with you today, you realize what you have done wrong.
You're not even afraid. You went to marry my man. You didn't even think. My own man, you went ahead to marry. Why?
Kambi, go to Chima. If you have any business with him, go and sort it out with him, not me.
I thought you said you don't know what you did to her. Why are you calling Chima's name? Why are you bringing him into this? Pretender, liar.
The fact that she's not even scared is my problem. My own man in this village. You didn't even ask questions. You're not even afraid. You are not scared. Nothing. You're just walking freely. Two has become one. So you have definitely bought his problem. Why did you do that? Is it good?
Kambi, why is it so difficult for you to understand that I have done nothing wrong to you? Go to the person that wronged you. Okay. And leave me out of it.
It's okay.
Leave me out of it. Besides, Chima did not tell me he promised you marriage. And even if he did, he's a man. And he has the right to marry as many wives as he wants. Right. It's still not my business. Okay. Leave me alone.
And who are you talking to like that? Is something wrong with you? Is something wrong with you? Is something wrong with you?
Greetings.
Siagam. Greetings.
So you no longer respond to my greetings now?
Adana, let me tell you. I rather respond to the greetings of a known enemy. A verified enemy. Rather than answering you. Who knows if they have given you to rub on your tongue and come and greet me so that you take the remaining of my destiny. Adana, it will not work for you. I have realized myself. Now I know that you are using my destiny to shine in the bush. Adana, I will take it back from you. Kaikoro, Adana.
Eze, what did I do again? Eze, what did I do? What wrong have I done again?
The problem is how you pretend you don't know what you have done.
Because I don't know.
You want to tell me you don't know what you have done? Adana, let me remind you that every family in this kingdom work together to grow their family. All of them make sure they carry each other along in whatever they do, in their strive to make a living. When it comes to our home, me, as your elder brother, I now have to be under you. You are the greatest hunter in this kingdom, and your elder brother cannot even catch a bush rat. I cannot catch, and you tell me it's normal.
Easy. How is it my fault? I have taught you how to hunt since we were kids. Is it my problem that you don't have a future in hunting? Or when will you realize that you do not have a future there? Just as our faces are different, our talents are different. Look for your own talent and make a living out of it. You don't have a talent in hunting. How is it my problem?
Adane, so you want to tell me that you will beat a child and tell the child not to cry? How can I make it in hunting when you have my destiny and you are shining in the bush with my destiny? So I need a talent to catch bush meat. But you is your destiny. Adane, let me tell you. You better marry and leave this house because you don't know what is coming for you. My eyes are clear now. It is obvious that you have my destiny and you are messing around with it. Adane, at this point, I am tempted to come and peep you where you are taking your bath. You know why? Adane, I want to be sure there is no rod-like structure between your legs. Because you are not behaving like a woman. You are not behaving like a woman. Adane, and you refuse to marry. Adane, let me tell you, I will move. Adanne, I am going to move and regain my destiny because I know you did it somewhere. And when I have it, Adanne, I will come back to this house and I will show you that I am a better hunter than you. I am brave than you. Look at me, I'm walking. I'm one walk. Let me tell you. By that time, you will understand that you have wronged me in a very high way. But before then, Adanne, you will look for me, but you will not see me. Pardon me, please, pardon me! Pardon me!
The greatest hunter in our kingdom, I greet you.
Izuchukwu, I was just coming to your hut.
I hope all is well.
I am looking for my brother. I know he's your friend, so if there's anybody in this kingdom that will know his whereabouts, it will be you. I have not seen him for the past 7 market days.
The last time I saw your brother was when he told me he was going to Nzogu Kingdom.
Nzogu? What for?
He said he was going to meet the greatest hunter there, by name Kambili, to teach him how to hunt. But I was wondering why he would go there when we all have someone like you in this kingdom. And I also warned him that that kingdom is very dangerous because it's known for witchcraft.
Thank you very much for this information. Thank you.
If you are going there, you have to be very careful.
Please.
What are you doing in my kingdom? Are you not scared?
Scared of what and who?
In my kingdom? In my coven? In my territory?
I am not here to drag your kingdom, your coven, or whatever it is you call it. I am in search of my missing brother.
I have nothing to do with your brother.
Information reaching me was that he came to you to learn how to hunt. And he has been missing since then. And I'll have you know, it takes more than a witch to scare me.
I have nothing to do with your brother. Did I just hear you say it takes more than a witch to scare you?
Oh yes. What is in me is bigger than all the witches in your coven. It takes more than a witch to scare me, I repeat.
We shall see.
We shall see nothing! Ezewa! What manner of dream is this? Is my brother in danger? What is my chi trying to tell me? Is Kambili a witch? I have to go and tell my brother.
That
is everybody looking so mean? Or is it because they know that I am a stranger? Why are they looking like witches? My name is Adana. I'm from Unubi Kingdom. Please, I am looking for...
Come back here.
Go that way. You will see a man living there. You can ask him. He may have an idea of his whereabouts.
Why are they acting like spirits? Are they witches? I didn't tell them I was looking for anybody. How did you know I am looking for somebody? Everyone here is a witch, but I have come. No going back until I find my brother. It takes more than a witch to scare me.
I have nothing to do with your brother. Did I just hear you say it takes more than a witch to scare you?
Oh yes. What is in me is bigger than all the witches in your coven. It takes more than a witch to scare me, I repeat. We shall see. We shall see nothing! How did you get there? There was nobody there just now.
Who are you?
My name is Adana. I am from Unubi Kingdom.
That does not answer my question.
Like I said, my name is Adana. I am from Unubi Kingdom, and I am in search of my missing brother. He left my kingdom 7 markets ago to come to this kingdom to learn hunting, and I have not laid eyes on him since then. Please, have you seen any stranger in your kingdom? A tall, dark man.
No.
Mazi, please. Can you accommodate me for a few market days? Just until I find my brother, and I'll leave.
Accommodating a stranger is a risk no one wants to take in this kingdom. Because this kingdom is a very peaceful kingdom. And anybody who foments trouble for the peace of this kingdom attracts trouble to his household. However, I can accommodate you if you can assure me to play by my rules and the rules of this kingdom.
Mazi, I promise I bring no trouble. As soon as I find my brother, I'll take my leave.
Come with me.
Greetings.
Nzogwe. What a beauty to behold.
Sorry to disturb you.
No, you are not disturbing anything. You are so beautiful. And more important than whatever I am doing.
Thanks to the gods, I finally found a nice person.
Information getting to me is that the goddess of Nzogo has been missing. And I am wondering, are you the one?
Are you asking me if I am the goddess of Nzogo?
Yes. Immediately I saw you, I heard a voice saying that this is the goddess of Nzogo that has been missing. Please, are you truly the goddess of Nzogo?
It will be very unfair if you do not know the goddess of your own kingdom. You seem quite lively.
I am trying to. Especially to someone I like and feel very comfortable with spiritually.
What do you mean by that?
We will talk about that some other time. For now, I am Chima.
I am Adanna.
Beautiful maiden, tell me more about yourself.
Like I said, my name is Adanna. I am from Monubi Kingdom. I am in search of my missing brother.
Your missing brother?
Yes, he's my only sibling. He left my kingdom 7 markets ago to come learn hunting from a hunter named Kambili in your kingdom. Who is she? Who is she?
She is Kambili, the hunter you just talked about. You have not met her before?
No. Tell me more about her.
She is someone you do not wish to know about. I will advise you. Look for your brother and leave this kingdom in peace.
Is she that dangerous?
She is more than dangerous.
I have seen her in my dreams. I need to know more about her. It will explain why I keep seeing her in my dreams. Anyway, tell me about yourself.
Well, I am Chima. I am not from this kingdom, but my mother is from this kingdom. I was born and raised here.
How come?
My father died when my mother had me in her womb. Because of people like Kambili, who have spoilt the name of this kingdom, my father's relatives rejected my mother. They even accused her of being a witch and killing my father.
I need to know more about Kambili and the bad name they have given to this kingdom.
Adanna, avoid Kambili and her friends.
He was just here. I am sure I saw him. He was just eating.
Oh, you're back.
Greetings, Mazi.
Greetings, my daughter.
Mazi, do you have any relative in this kingdom? Any family, children, anything?
Unfortunately, I lost all my children. All of them.
All your children? How many?
6.
6? What happened?
Life happened. Life is so deep that sometimes, knowingly or unknowingly, life makes you do certain things you do not wish to do. Just like your brother made you come to me, searching for him. Anyways, have you found him? Or is there any clue as to his whereabouts?
Not yet.
You must be hungry.
Where did you get that from? You were just standing here. How did you get that?
I brought you food. You must be hungry. Take.
It does not take only more than a witch to scare me. It takes more than a witch to harm me. Please tell me, is Mazi wa Anosu or Anamosu?
Why do you ask?
The past 2 days with him has been something else. I just can't explain it.
Well, because the witches operate secretly, it is very difficult to know their members. Except for those ones who have decided to make theirs open.
He also told me he had 6 children and they all died.
Yes, that is true. The witches are so wicked. Sometimes they frustrate innocent people and make them look like witches to the eyes of the non-witches.
Chima! Don't even try that! Chima! Chima! So it is true. Chima, it is true. You've been going out with this stranger. Chima, what did I ever do to you?
Going out? William, she has been here for just a couple of days.
Does it take a lifetime for a man to start going out with a woman? Does he? Chima, I went through hell in the hands of those witches. Chima, I lost everything that matters to me the most because of you. And you do this to me. Chima, what is my offense? What did I do to you? I'm sorry, excuse me, but we are not going out. He's just my friend.
Are you stupid? You do not just go. Leave me alone.
You do not just approach people because you see them. You ask questions first. If you go through what I went through because of him, you will never come close to him again. Listen, if you want peace in this kingdom, avoid my husband. Don't say I did not warn you. Chima, you never told me you were married. Let's go!
Stop this. Calm down and listen to me. I have nothing with her. Urem, I have nothing with that maiden. I am telling you the truth. I have nothing with that maiden.
Then why is there rumors everywhere that you're seeing her? Why?
Rumors? Who are the people carrying these rumors? Who are the people carrying this rumor? Kambili and her gang? Oh, I see. My love, you of all people should know that nothing good comes out of them. That maiden you slapped is here to look for her lost brother. Yes, her only sibling. The only son of her late parents. And she thinks Kambili and her friends knows about his whereabouts. Because his brother left his kingdom to come and learn how to hunt from Kambili.
Eh? Chima, no, do I look like a child? Kambili? So of all the hunters in this world, even the ones in this village, it is Kambili they choose to learn from.
My love, you cannot blame them. They have no idea of the powers behind the sources of her hunting. They do not know that it is not ordinary. My love, you cannot blame anyone that is outside this kingdom who sees her as the greatest and wants to learn hunting from her.
I am sorry, Chima. I did not know about all of that. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for embarrassing you like that in front of her. Forgive me.
Reasons you should not allow your emotions control you. You did not just embarrass me. You insulted an innocent maiden. Yes, you did. You insulted her. And I want you to apologize to her.
Let's go.
I'll take that as a yes.
I didn't say anything. Let's go first. Where do you think you are going to?
Do you know where you are about to put your feet? You are not scared?
Scared of what? Scared of who? Please, I do not have this time. I am looking for my missing brother. So release him or get out of my path.
Get out of your path.
Yes.
Or you want your brother. Which do you want?
Both. Get out from my path or release my brother.
I will not spare you. Even if I let you go, I will still drink your blood.
Do you know who you are talking to? Do I look scared to you? I'll have you know, what is in me is greater than all the demons put together in your kingdom. You do not scare me. Get out from my path. Why am I having this thought? If she's not really a witch, then is it me fighting her spiritually? Or is my brother in her custody? He has to be! Because he left to come learn how to hunt from her. Now, if he's not in her custody, did he die before he got here? And if he did, a hunter would have seen his corpse by any means. Here's your food.
Siago. Ọ na-eme onye ju ekwensu ọjụnya na ọrụ ya niile. So you have planned to kill me with this thing. No, this is what you plan to kill me with. Let me tell you, it will not work.
Eze, why? Why will you throw... Eze, what is your problem?
You want to know what is my problem?
What is your problem? What have I not done for you? What is your problem?
That is my problem. What have you not done for me? It's my problem. You have literally turned me to a vegetable so that you will be the one to provide for me. Every single thing I ever wanted as a man, as Jobala Negi, you have been the one providing it. And then you have literally turned me to a vegetable. So that you'll be doing everything for me. And then you will now hang your shoulders and be gallivanting the whole village as the breadwinner of the family.
So where did you hear me mention that I am the breadwinner of the family?
You think I don't have ears? No, you think I don't have ears? Whatever that you have done that is making things work that way, I will reverse it.
You're very, very ungrateful. You're ungrateful. It's not your fault.
Are you okay? Are you okay? What is wrong with you? And then the right thing should have been when you get into the bush and you catch all those, I don't know how you do this thing. When you catch them, you're supposed to bring them to me. Let me hang them on my shoulder and move around the kingdom with my shoulders high. Proud, and my ego will remain for me. And then I'm supposed to be your pride. But look at you. You brag.
I'm very shameless. Easy. You are a shameless elder brother. I should bring my car. Eze, don't touch me. Don't touch me. You are a shameless man.
Okay. Now I am no longer useless. I am shameless.
You are shameless and useless.
I don't know. It is obvious there will be no peace in this house until you marry.
Marry who? You go and marry. Or you don't like family.
Rich farmers that are able to take care of you have been coming here trooping in and out. You don't want to follow anyone. Who are you waiting for?
You too, go and marry. Go and marry. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Look at you in your father's house. If your father did not build this house, would you have somewhere to stay? Eze, you are a shameless brother. I didn't see you coming.
We only want you to see what we want you to see. My name is Kambili.
I am Adanna.
Actually...
Who do we have here?
Greetings.
Which is my child? Kambili? What brought you to my compound?
I heard you have a stranger, so I came to see her.
Oh, that's thoughtful of you.
Thank you so much.
Adanna, this is Kambili. Kambili is the greatest hunter we have in this kingdom and beyond. She's a very brave woman, kind, intelligent, and very, very smart. Kambili. She will be of good use to you and for the purpose for which you are here.
It is nice to meet you. I hope this meeting will be a pleasure.
I hope so. It all depends on you. We heard you came looking for your brother. I don't mind if you want me to help. That's if you want.
That is very kind of you. If your thoughts are genuine. Thank you for offering.
I hope so. These are my friends.
Oluchi.
Amaka.
You're as beautiful as you are.
Thank you.
Thank you. I will take my leave now. I will come and check up on you and help you if you want.
Thank you for coming. Witches. They kill in spirit and come physical to mourn. My chi already tells me you do not mean well for me. I shall not let them kill my brother.
Where are you going to with your hunting materials?
Mazi, my brother is somewhere in this kingdom. I must find him.
I thought Kambili offered to help you find him.
Mazi.
Yes.
Who are you?
Me?
Are you one of them?
One of who? What offense have I committed? What are you insinuating? Are you accusing me because I said Kambili should help you look for your brother?
If you're not one of them, why would you suggest me to Kambili? Kambili that is holding my brother captive. Same Kambili that has bewitched my brother.
No.
That has made my brother a slave to her.
Oh, Kambili is such a nice person. She's nice.
She is?
Yes, she is.
If that's the case, why is it the only people in her circle that have good things to say about her?
Are you saying I'm a witch? If I'm a witch, will I accept you in my house?
Mazi, I never called her a witch. You know exactly what is happening here.
No, I don't.
Mazi, please tell me. Where is my brother?
I have no idea.
you are doing in this place. If only you know what this place is used for, you will avoid it for the rest of your life.
I have searched everywhere in this kingdom. Everywhere. And I cannot find my brother. If my brother is in this kingdom, he's somewhere here.
This place is extremely dangerous. If anyone goes inside there, they will never come out the same way.
You seem to know so much about this place. Please tell me, is my brother here?
Yes. He should be here with other captives.
Other captives? So you people just fold your hands in this kingdom and watch some group of people hold people captive and under bondage?
What do you expect us to do? No, tell me, what do you expect us to do? To stop the existence of witchcraft? That is not possible. Let me tell you, if only you know the people you are talking about, if you know how powerful these people are, you will not set your foot on this place. Let's leave this place.
Please tell me, did you see my brother? Tell me what happened when he came here.
When your brother came into this kingdom, he fell in love with Kambili. Please.
But this is my only brother I am talking about. The only family I have. I can't live here. That is my brother.
And where are you going to? You need to calm down. I understand how you feel, but you need to calm down. Just leave and plan, strategize yourself.
I can't leave. That is what are you saying?
Adanna, please stop this. Are you even sure your brother loves you? Are you sure? Please, let's leave before they notice our presence. Let's go, let's go.
Wow. So what do I owe this visit? Adanna, right?
Yes, Adanna. I came to reciprocate your last visit. I mean, we are friends, are we not?
Friends, yes. I mean, that's very popular. What do you want? I have fruits, I have bushmeat, whatever you...
Bushmeat or human flesh? Anyway, I am okay. I do not need anything from you. Kambili, you seem to be very popular in this kingdom. How come about this? Is it hunting or something else?
It's hunting, of course. A successful one at that. What do you want?
How come I have never heard about you prior to coming to this kingdom? Or are you a witch?
What do you want? I will not repeat myself. What do you want?
I came to find out who you are. And when I say who you are, I mean who you truly are.
I am who you think in your head that I am.
Kambili, I am looking for my brother. He is my only sibling that my parents left under my custody. Where is my brother?
How is this my business? Your missing brother. How does it connect? How is it my business?
You know exactly what I am talking about. It is your business. He left our kingdom to come learn hunting from you. And ever since he left, I have not seen him.
Fine.
Where is my brother?
Okay, if that's what you want to know. Your brother told me that you are a successful hunter. Yeah, he told me that. But he said you refused to put him through. Why?
My heart is broken. How can a full grown man like me be under my own sister? Eh? A man is not supposed to be under a woman. Talk more of when he's the elder. My sister wants me to always be under her in everything. She wants me to be at a place where she will be the one providing for me. In our custom and tradition, By walking on Nenu, when we can table. How can my sister want to turn everything upside down? It's not working. It's not working. That is why I'm here. I need to learn.
She's not a nice person. She's not a nice person.
Kambili, you need to live a day with my sister so you understand what I am seeing. My sister is so heartless. I mean, how can she even be proud that her own brother has nothing to write home about? And she's bragging in the whole kingdom. I am the chief hunter. I'm the richest hunter. Even when she's coming from the bush, she'll be carrying the dead meats like... You need to help me. You need to help me. I need to go back and show my sister that I can be the greatest hunter in my kingdom without her. She thinks I cannot live without her.
Okay. I will help you.
Eh?
Yes.
Hi.
But you have to obey the rules and regulations.
Kambili, I'm not a disobedient person. You see, when you look at me, I'm not remaining any other place. It's just me. I'm so humble and nice. I can learn. I know I'm brave. I know that if I get into the bush and you show me how to do these things, I will perfectly do them. See, Kambili, let me that there is nothing I start in this life that I don't finish. I know how to do everything. Just this hunting, teach me. Let me go back and show that girl. Eh? Please, I will not disobey you. Anything you ask me to do, Kambili, I will do it. I want to learn. That is why I'm here. Thank you so much. Kambili, thank you. Yes. I am. Thank you so much for loving me. Thank you so much for making me feel this way. See, I never knew that love could be this sweet. Thank you.
You don't know how much I love you. You're so cute.
Nobody has ever told me that before.
That's why you're blushing.
Yes, I don't know how to behave when someone, praises me or make good comments about me.
Thank you for loving me too. I love you with all my heart.
Really?
I've never felt this way before.
Greetings, lovebirds.
Greetings, Amaka.
Can you excuse me?
Okay. See. Hi.
What's actually going on between you and that stranger of a boy?
What? Really?
I never knew you could actually fall in love again after Chima.
Who is falling in love? Fall in love with who? That one. I just like him because he's handsome. That's all. That boy hates his sister. I cannot fall in love with someone that has hate in his heart. I'll just suck him and throw him away. That's what I'll do to him.
I knew it. You're not just our queen for nothing. You're a queen for a reason.
Queen for life. But wait. I hope you told him not to kill any bird in this kingdom. Because he has seen your nakedness. And not just your nakedness. He has slept with you. He will not do it. He will never do it. Like I said, I just want to suck him and throw him away. He's going back to his village empty because he has an empty skull. Trust you.
That's good.
So tell my lover boy.
We trust you.
Call him. Call him back. Come. No, go, I don't want him to see you. So he can relax.
Lover babe.
did I shoot?
I want that fool of your brother never to kill a bird after sleeping with me. But the idiot did.
Was it intentional or by mistake?
I don't care! He killed my member on duty. He must pay for it.
Kambili, release my brother. Kambili, release my brother. I'll have you understand that if everybody in this kingdom is scared of you, I am not scared of you. I am not scared of you. You do not have any option but to release my brother.
Are you talking to me?
Yes, I am talking to you.
Are you talking to me?
Yes, I am!
It takes more than a witch to scare you. I will finally end the life of your brother.
Makes you more her. You are beautifully made. You are one of a kind. I am your chi. You know who you are and you know your roots. I am so proud of you. We have been the descendants of Umiri. It has been so until this very moment. A child born from the waters has no enemy. They have great future. We have been the descendants of Umiri. It has been so until this moment. A child from the waters is unstoppable. They have great future. They have no enemy. It takes more than a witch to stop them, more than a killer to kill them, and more than a native doctor to harm them. Adamazia met you her. You were born on Orient Market Day. You do not look for trouble because you are for all and all for you. Meaning, you do not have an enemy. But if an enemy comes, you swallow them up. Water strengthens life, meaning you are a life giver, not a life taker. No man can take your life except they do not drink, cook, or bathe with water. I am your chi, and I will always protect you.
That stranger is stronger than I thought. She is a water child. And she will destroy us. And she will not rest. I will not let that happen. We must kill him. So she will leave this kingdom alone. Uwa!
Grandmother?
It is time to take your responsibilities on her.
Your wish is my command, Grandmother.
But the first assignment I will carry. But we must destroy my enemies first. Urena must die. That fool stole my man. She is my greatest enemy.
Help my wife. Please. My wife was attacked by witches. Please do something.
There is nothing I can do. Nothing. They made away with her soul. I will treat her and see if the gods can perform a miracle.
Great one. Please. What can I do to bring back the soul of my wife?
Go to the coven of the wishes. There, you will see the soul of your wife. But the possibility of you returning alive.
So you want me to sit back and allow Kambili kill my wife?
There is a maiden in this kingdom. She is in search of her brother. That maiden is great and powerful. If you team up with her, your journey will be successful.
Good one. What are you talking about?
She is one Mary. She is the only one who can stand Kambili and her friends. If you must go, then go with her.
Adanna. Adanna. Adanna.
What are you doing here? What are you doing here? Speak up, what is it?
Adanna, we were attacked.
Attacked? What are you talking about?
Kambili and her friends, they've succeeded in captivating the soul of my wife.
How do you mean?
I woke up this morning and I saw my wife laying unconscious.
Where is she now?
I took her to the native doctor, Ajulu. He told me that Kambili and her friends are holding the soul of my wife captive. Adanna, please. I know my wife wronged you. But she is the only one I've got. Biko, I don't want my wife to die. I need you to help me. Ajulu said you're my only hope. Biko, help me. Please, help me to save the soul of my wife. Please, do not keep silent on me. Please. I know my wife wronged you, but please, do not allow my wife to die.
It is time to face Kambili. It is time to challenge Kambili one-on-one. She either releases our loved ones or kill us all.
Yes. Yes. That is why I am here. I want us to join hands and fight for our people. Fight for what belongs to us. Fight for our own.
Are you sure?
Yes. That is the only option I have. Adanna, I want my wife back.
You suddenly want to fight because it affects you. A corpse looks like a firewood until it comes from your household. Kambili must pay.
That is my wife. What are they doing with her spirit? I must go and save her. I can't allow them kill my wife.
What is wrong with you? What are you doing?
I need to save my wife.
How do you want to save your wife? I'm not going to allow them kill her, but it is not advisable to go there right now. That is their altar. That is the source of their power.
What are you saying? We need to stop them. Ajulu said you have the powers to fight them. Let us go. Let's go.
I have the power to fight them, but it is still not wise to go there.
See, I want to finish. Oh no. I need to go and save my wife. I need to save my wife. What is what doing here?
I have always suspected that he was one of them. I knew it.
No, go, we have to go.
It is only a fool that runs away from challenges that are ready at his doorstep. Chema.
Where's my wife? It is obvious we are not in your hut. What is going on? Where's my wife?
Shema, too many questions at the same time. It is unfortunate that we lost her. They already killed her soul and the coven. No! Shema! Like I told you, it is only a fool that runs away from challenges that are ready at his doorstep.
He who runs lives to fight another day.
Not when you are a stronger contender. If you run away, you are giving your opponent an opportunity to re-strategize.
She's a witch. She's a witch. She has got lots of powers. She is not someone you can fight with your bare hands. Besides, it is not just her. There are many.
And this maiden standing beside you is stronger than all the witches joined together. She is, with her chi, she is born to be great. And you know who you are.
Great goddess of the waters, Adana, your child, has come to give supplications and thanks for all that you have been doing in her life. Goddess of the waters, thank you for everything. Please, goddess, if I have done anything that has gone against your wish, I ask and seek your forgiveness. Please forgive me and do not take your eyes away from me. He say, please, my queen, do not let the plans of the enemies prevail against my life. Bless whatever I lay my hands on that is for good. Protect my going out and coming in. He say, goddess of the waters, please accept this kola nut and white cock as a supplement from your daughter Adana. Ada Mazia makes you war her. You are beautifully made. You are one of a kind. I am your chi. You know who you are and you know your roots. I am so proud of you. We have been the descendants of Umiri. It has been so until this very moment. A child born from the waters has no enemy. They have great future. We have been the descendants of Umiri. It has been so until this moment. A child from the waters is unstoppable. They have great future. They have no enemy. It takes more than a witch to stop them, more than a killer to kill them, and more than a native doctor to harm them. Adamazia met you war. You were born on Orient Market Day. You do not look for trouble because you are for all and all for you. Meaning, you do not have an enemy. But if an enemy comes, you swallow them up. Water strengthens life. Meaning, you are a life giver, not a life taker. No man can take your life except they do not drink, cook, or bathe with water. I am your chi, and I will always protect you. And I know my chi.
If you know your chi, you have to stand your ground and fight! Fight her! Before your chi gets mad at you. They have shown you several reasons for you to know that you are a great person. Why are you still delaying?
I have always believed that for a good contender to win a battle, you need to know your opponent's source of strength. Who is Kambili and what is her source of power?
Kambili is nothing but a witch! A heartless witch that sold her soul to the devil! She was not born a witch, but she's more deadly than the ones born into the coven. She became a witch out of frustration. Yes.
Frustration?
Yes.
How?
Kambili lost her family. A family of 2 boys and a maiden. She was the only survivor from that food poison. Shima here knows her story. Then Shima here was a man. It almost led to marriage.
Food poisoning. Who poisoned them?
Her father's brother did. Yes. Only because Kambili's father asked for his lands in his brother's possession. Kambili was so lucky. That very day the incident happened, she was not at home that very moment. Kambili was frustrated and was so desperate to revenge. That was why she joined witchcraft.
So did she succeed?
Yes, she did. Not only that, since then, she has been respected and called Queen of the Witches.
You said Shima had something to do with her?
He's here. He can explain.
Kambili! Kambili! Kambili!
Why are you shouting?
Masinduka, he is dead. His body was found this morning in front of his hut, with bruises all over his body.
So? Why are you shouting? That's why you're shouting my name like that?
I just said your uncle is dead.
Don't you ever scream my name like that. What is wrong with you? Now you should be happy. You should be happy they are dying one by one instead of dying in groups. I wanted him to die a very painful death.
Do not tell me you killed your uncle?
Oh yes, I did. What do you expect? What are you expecting?
After everything I begged you? So you have been the one killing all his children? Children that never did anything to you?
They did! Don't you say that to me. Don't call them innocent. They were there when he beat me up. They were there when his son came here and he beat me up and you call them innocent.
But only people is never in support of this.
I don't care! I don't!
You killed her. You killed an innocent maiden. How can you be this wicked?
Really? Really? Don't just get out from my house. Get out! Get out!
Never you come close to me again.
Oh, you get out, you fool! Get out! And don't you ever come close to me again!
I discovered she joined the witches when her uncle died. I started avoiding her. She found out I was going out with Urina. She hated her. And ever since then, she has been attacking my wife, physically and spiritually.
Chima, you are the next. She will come for you soon, because the love she had for you is gone. You have to save yourself before she takes your life.
Is my brother still alive?
Yes, he is still alive, but he is the next to be killed. Offspring of Oshimiri, granddaughter of the Kemiri. You are born to be great. You have to fight. Go and save your brother. Go and save your brother. Go! Go! Unwe Kemiri.
No, I don't need you to follow me. Kambili is a woman like me, so this is a woman's battle. I don't need you.
Regardless, you need someone behind you. It is not just Kambili. There are so many of them out there.
My chi and your chi are not the same. My chi is very well ready for this battle. If yours is not, stay back.
Madonna, I am ready. No matter what it takes.
Insist.
Shoot them! So I can suck blood though. Then shoot him! Shoot him, Adana! Shoot him! Shoot him! He have power! Shoot him! This old man is one of them. Shoot him! Shoot him!
You blood sucker!
Yes.
An animal that eats its own children.
I accepted you into my household when you had nowhere to stay. I fed you as my child. You say I am an animal who feeds on his children's flesh and suck their blood. I shall suck your blood. I will feed on your flesh as my adopted child.
How can a bird adopt a cow? What harm can a bird bring to a cow? Maziwa, I will finish you.
There's no end. This man, he has power. He has power.
A child from the waters is always a blessing. They come with breakthrough. They also come with lots of gifts. They are always destined for greatness. They are unstoppable. It takes more than a witch to stop them. It takes more than a witch to stop them. It takes more than a witch to stop them. I am a Dana, daughter of Umiri. I know my roots and I have paid my dues. I am a child of greatness. I am a child of light. I am unstoppable. It takes more than a witch to stop me. More than a killer to kill me. More than a native doctor to harm me. I am unstoppable.
Don't kill me. I'm sorry. I became a witch due to greed and jealousy. Yes, I lost everything I had. My precious wife, my children, my lands, in this kingdom. I lost everything. I am empty. Please, give me a second chance. I will never join any coven. I will never be a witch in my life. I thought I could make amends, please. Forgive me. Give me a second chance.
No witch deserves a second chance.
Yes. 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 Danny, move. Let me guide you now. Let's go. Witch. Look at him. Witch. Not here. Ajulu! Ajulu! Ajulu!
Help me and beg her. Please, you have to forgive me.
I never knew what I was doing. I was carried away by my quest to make wealth and take care of you. It was out of love. Please, I was ashamed of myself. I could not take it that my younger sister was the one fending for me. I mean, the villagers were talking. People in our kingdom, they have ears also. They see me like less of a man. Please.
Izzy, you still don't understand. It is not about who is older or younger.
Then please, you have to forgive me. I don't know what to do again. I don't know what to do. That is why I embarked on this journey that I want to take my life. I was ashamed. I'm the man. I'm your elder brother. Can you please beg her for me?
I don't know. Please forgive him.
Yes.
He has made his mistakes. And he has also learned from it. Forgive him. He's your brother.
You have to forgive me. You have to forgive me. And then you will forgive me. You will forgive me.
I forgive you. It's okay. It's okay. I forgive you.
Thank you.
As soon as we get back,
yes,
you are going to visit Agbarakwe.
Okay.
Let him find out if you're from the waters, which I do not think it is, the wind, fire, or even earth. So you will make the necessary sacrifice to enhance it.
I will, Adanya. I will. Thank you for this suggestion. Please, thank you. Come here.
Greetings.
Nzogwe. What a beauty to behold.
Sorry to disturb you.
No, you are not disturbing anything. You are so beautiful. And more important than whatever I am doing. Information getting to me is that the goddess of Nzogo has been missing. And I am wondering, are you the one?
Are you asking me if I am the goddess of Nzogo?
Yes. Immediately I saw you, I heard a voice saying that this is the goddess of Nzogo that has been missing. Please, are you truly the goddess of Nzogo?
It will be very unfair if you do not know the goddess of your own kingdom. You seem quite lively.
I am trying to. Especially to someone I like and feel very comfortable with spiritually.
What do you mean by that?
We will talk about that some other time. For now, I am Chima.
I am Adanna.
Beautiful maiden, tell me more about yourself.
Like I said, my name is Adanna. I am from Onubi Kingdom. I am in search of my missing brother.
Your missing brother?
Yes, he's my only sibling. He left my kingdom 7 markets ago to come learn hunting from a hunter named Kambili in your kingdom. Who is she? Who is she?
hunter you just talked about. You have not met her before?
No. Tell me more about her.
She is someone you do not wish to know about. I will advise you. Look for your brother and leave this kingdom in peace.
Is she that dangerous?
She is more than dangerous.
I have seen her in my dreams. I need to know more about her. It will explain why I keep seeing her in my dreams. Anyway, tell me about yourself.
Well, I am Chima. I am not from this kingdom, but my mother is from this kingdom. I was born and raised here.
How come?
My father died when my mother had me in her womb. Because of people like Kambili, who have spoilt the name of this kingdom, my father's relatives rejected my mother. They even accused her of being a witch and killing my father.
I need to know more about Kambili and the bad name they have given to this kingdom.
Adanna, avoid Kambili and her friends.
Thank you so much, Adani. Let me hold your gun for you.
Chima, thank you so much. This wouldn't have been possible without you.
Yes.
I am very grateful for your input. We'll be on our way now.
Yeah. That is how you are looking at how I don't understand. Osyogun.
Adanna, from the very first moment I set my eyes on you, I fell in love with you. I fell in love with everything about you. Adanna, your beauty, your kindness, your intelligence, and most especially, your bravery makes me to fall in love with you every single day. While we were at the coven, I saw the brave woman in you. Sometimes I feel like all of this are dreams. But then, I get to realize that this is reality. Adanna, please, I want you to be my wife.
Chima, you are a very good man. Unfortunately, I cannot marry you.
See?
Thank you for everything.
Please, you can't say no to me, Adanna.
You're doing this now. He's a husband. He's a very handsome man. I'm telling you, you cannot say no. This man is a very good man and see, he's rich. He has this.